Welcome to this step-by-step guide on resolving error code 9345 as encountered on Amazon Prime Video by adjusting browser settings. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate your browser to remove potentially problematic stored data, which can often be the cause of streaming errors. Begin by launching your web browser. Once your browser is open, take a moment to ensure that it is fully loaded before proceeding to the next step. With your browser up and running, look for the icon that consists of three vertical dots, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the interface. This icon represents additional options and configurations. Click on this three-dot icon to bring up a drop-down menu that contains various browser functions. After accessing the drop-down menu, scroll through the options and locate the application settings. Select the settings option to enter into a section where you can customize and control your browser behavior in greater detail. This settings area is crucial because it grants you access to options that allow for maintenance of your browser's performance and can lead to a resolution of errors encountered during streaming. Within the settings menu, search for the section that addresses privacy and security. Click on the privacy and security option, as this category houses controls to manage your personal data and the interactions your browser has with websites. In this section, you will have the opportunity to clear data that may inadvertently affect your streaming experience by loading outdated or corrupted information. As you explore the privacy and security settings, find the feature that allows you to delete browsing data. Once you click on the option to delete browsing data, you will be presented with several choices regarding what data to remove. This step is designed to clear out the cached information that might be interfering with the functionality of services like Amazon Prime Video. Within the options for clearing browsing data, select the category that mentions cookies and other site data. This category specifically handles the small files and data elements that websites store on your device, which can sometimes lead to conflicts or accumulation of outdated information that impedes performance. Once you have selected the cookies and other site data option, look for the command that allows you to proceed with deleting the data. When you click on the delete data button, your browser begins the process of removing the identified files and cookies. This deletion is an important action as it refreshes your browser's stored information and can resolve issues that lead to error messages while streaming. Throughout this process, it is a good idea to occasionally verify that the settings have been updated and that your browser is now operating smoothly. The adjustments made during these steps should support an improved streaming experience, particularly when accessing services like Amazon Prime Video. Following these instructions carefully helps in effectively addressing and potentially resolving error code 9345. Enjoy a smoother viewing experience with a refreshed browser setup.